guys, welcome back to another video. I am selling another wait. I'm selling a Black Fruit account. Look, I am selling this account for Robux. I am selling this Roblox account for can you comment below how much this account worth? If I get this to max, I have two more selling, but I am grinding to it. One of the I'm selling is a max, but this is not a max. This is just a 700 or 809. This is a 809. Just wait. Now this is the black that I am selling. I am just new because I played this up 5 days ago and I have this. And I have this good. I will just sell this for just 300 dollars. If you like to buy it, just just comment to the comment below. And comment your name and I'm gonna search it. Tapos, wait. And I'm gonna search it and I'm gonna yun. And I am broke right now because I am doing this for water and has no robux. This name is simple. You don't have robux, but it's not. You have a million bounty. My brother have 2 million bounty and 500,000. And this have bounty. You better more bounty or owner. Right now I have 397 and 17 97. Let's go. Let's trade the phone. No, bro. Bro, this is comment down below if this topic or any Kasi lang, yung narinig ko, yun, daw. Comic ko ang dawin ko, pero bakit ito? Yeah, broken! Yeah. No. Ang ganda yung picture ng pag-isip. And I don't care about it. Let's game it. Na, you portal something. Video. Ano? Let's see about my titles. And then, let's see. Alright, I said I'm gonna do this report na random question because I have just coming from the issue this stuff and I'm gonna password and then my Discord because there's you one of the password in this account. And there was the password in just watching gaming, but don't show this to anyone. And I'm gonna private chat this. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna give you 30? 30? Yung pag 30, malaki? Wait. Okay.
Dito ako tutulog. Ano kilo? 13. Sa tingin mo ako sa kanila? Dito ng tulak? Dito na mo. Dito na mo sa pagalitan sa kanya. Sige yan! Ayaw din dito. Sabi nga ng dito. Wait! I'm just trying to get this fruit. Wabaso, dahil ganun saan ko doon sa kanatag. Ganon. Hindi ko alam. Saan? Doon sa lapot? Okay, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Ito, touch.